Garlic is one of the world's oldest cultivated plants, known for its pungent aroma and distinctive flavor. The most commonly used part of the garlic plant is the bulb, which is covered in a white, parchment-like shell and consists of 8 to 20 individual cloves. Garlic has a multitude of health benefits, from improving digestive health to supporting cardiovascular well-being. It is often referred to as a natural antibiotic due to its wide range of medicinal properties. Garlic is considered a low-calorie, nutrient-dense food that offers a variety of health benefits. Nutritional value of garlic. Calories: 13.4 protein, less than 1 gram. Fat: less than 1 gram carbohydrate, 2.98 grams. Fiber: less than 1 gram. Key health benefits of garlic helps boost the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections, bacteria, fungi, and parasites. Garlic can help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, supporting heart health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Garlic improves liver function by helping detoxify the body and eliminate heavy metals, making it an essential nutrient for liver protection. Garlic contains powerful antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in the body and may prevent oxidative damage linked to aging and cognitive decline, such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Garlic has been found to lower blood pressure in people with high blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and allowing blood to flow more freely. Regular consumption of garlic may help lower LDL, bad, cholesterol, and increase HDL, good, cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Garlic's sulfur compounds are known for their potential cancer-preventing properties, and studies have shown that they may reduce the risk of colon, stomach, esophageal, lung, and breast cancer. Garlic may increase estrogen levels in women, which may reduce bone loss in postmenopausal women and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Garlic can improve physical performance and reduce exercise-induced fatigue by reducing oxidative stress. Garlic's antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties make it effective against common infections like the flu and cold, and even antibiotic-resistant bacteria. The health benefits of garlic are primarily attributed to sulfur compounds like allicin. When garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed, allinase enzymes convert allin into allicin, a compound responsible for many of garlic's medicinal properties. Although garlic has numerous health benefits, consuming large amounts can cause stomach upset. People taking blood-thinning medications should consult their healthcare provider before adding large amounts of garlic to their diet, as it can increase the effects of these medications. For best results, garlic should be consumed raw. Crushing or chopping garlic and letting it sit for about 10 minutes before eating helps activate its beneficial compounds. Avoid long cooking times, as high heat can reduce the effectiveness of garlic's active compounds. It is recommended to add raw garlic to cooked dishes just before serving to preserve its health benefits. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Treatment for more insights on holistic health and well-being. Until next time, stay healthy and radiant.